Hello, welcome in Design Hub. In this series we will learn about Aspen HYSYS Basic. We will learn Aspen HYSYS Basic in 3 steps. In first step, we will discuss about how you can select the right components as per your simulation. This step establishing the simulation basis is to set the chemical components, which will be present in your simulation. For this you have to click on Component, then, clicking on Add will bring up the component list view, which is a list of all the component available in HYSYS. In this list, you can search by sim name, full name, or formula. Select component as per your requirement. Thanks for watching. For advanced topic, you can find on Udemy. Link in description below.